beat this. You know what? I'm willing to put $1,000 on it, so they can't beat this. You know what I'm saying? So tell all your buddies that they don't have the fastest car.
All right, guys. So today is March 9th. I picked up the Galant last night. If you guys haven't noticed already in the background of my videos, I have not had my Galant. So I have it back now. I dropped it off to my friend Jerry to take a look at the transmission. Pulled it off, went through it again, polished up some stuff in there, flipped one part to see if that made a difference. And let's say at this point right now it is driver mod right now. My buddy can bang it in the gear. I'm having issues still, but for those that don't know, my Integra's third gear is really far to the right in the middle, and this one's pretty much straight up for the most part. So I'm getting used to, I don't know, I haven't had issues ever shifting this car like this, but I have been driving the Integra a lot lately, and I have a tendency lately to take that car to redline. So I think my mindset is really far over, and I think it's just in my head right now. It's definitely messing with me, so I believe that's the issue. So we'll see what happens. Right now I'm going to Cars and Coffee. I don't know if I'm going to make this a video yet, but I might get some footage of some nice cars out there. We'll see. But I don't know. So sad news, but it sounds like it's just a driver mod issue. I'm going to take it to red line. Can't get into third for some reason. Hopefully I make this video and you guys enjoy all the cars that I see today.
your teeth. But everyone's got a brother or a buddy that thinks they have something to beat this. You know what? I'm willing to put $1,000 on it so they can't beat this. You know what I'm saying? So tell all your buddies that they don't have the fastest cars, but they can come out and meet the fastest, and they can learn from them, have fun, come out and street race legally at the end of the track. You know what I'm saying? Check us out on Outlaw Street Car Class Facebook page, and you know, stay informed, and come on out. Nice to hang out.
Cool. Thanks,
All right,
buddy.
guys. We got flyers down here.
No. No, you're good, man. You're good. I saw this on when I was going to the car wash. He's driving the opposite way.